Hello again. In this lecture, I'd like to show you how to get the password of the WPA and WPA2 easily without any guessing or spending much time. For that, we need to use one tool called Fluxion. To download that, you need to go to the web browser and write Fluxion Wi-Fi Analyzer. Then in the GitHub, as usual, just clone the link and in the command line under OPT write git clone and the link, enter. I have already done it just to save the time because it will take some time. After that, just write ls. You will find one folder called Fluxion here. If you go inside Fluxion, you will find one file called one folder called install. Also go inside it. Under install, there is install.sh. Just install it, enter, and that's it. It will take some time, then it will finish. After finishing, just go back to Fluxion folder again and run this file, fluxion.sh. Let's run it together, enter. Here it's asking us to use which language. What we need to choose is the serial number, so let's choose 1. It's running aerodump.ng, but here it's showing the background of this page is white. Hope it's clear for you. So it will run aerodump.ng in the background. After you see your target network, let's say this is mine, just press Ctrl+C for one time. Then it will just present all the networks around you and it will ask you to choose one. Let's say my one which I'm planning to attack is this one, my network, and it's using the security as a WPA2. Its number is 13. Let's choose 13. What this tool will do, it will do a deauthentication attack to disconnect all the users from the target network which you are targeting. Then it will create a fake access point with the same SSID just to cheat the users and force them to connect this one without password. Then when they connect, it will show a web page asking them to enter the password to get the internet, and after entering the password on that web page, you are going to get it. So after running the aerodump.ng, let's run a fake access point. This is the recommended option. Let's run it. Then it's asking us, because already I have done it, it's asking us there is a handshake file in this place. I will just choose no, just to repeat again. So here it's telling me if you don't want to use this handshake, where is the handshake location? I will tell just enter to skip it, to search from beginning, from start. Now to get the handshake, we have two options, as we know before, the aircrack NG or pirate. Let's choose pirate here. And to get the handshake, as we know before, just you need to disconnect all the users of the target network and then let them reconnect back by the authentication attack. Then you will get the handshake. Let's take all of them. So here is the handshake. Got it. After getting the handshake of this target network, then just press enter on the main screen and check the handshake. Number 1, yes, it's correct. Then we are going to create an SSL certificate, also number 1. Okay, now we are ready to attack. So select your option for the interface. Let's choose web interface, and here it's asking us whether we want the web page login, which it is going to appear for all the target users, in which language. So for me, I'll choose English again. Number one, you have many languages. You have English, German, Arabic, and many others. So let's choose one. Then the attack will start. So now if you go and search for the networks, you will find another one with the same SSID, but it has no protection. If I connect to this network, see what will happen. After connecting to this, if I went to get the internet to any website, it will just forward me to another web page, and see what it will ask me. For security reasons, enter the WPA key to access the internet. And normally if any user see this with the similar SSID, just he will enter the password normally. Just I'll put any password. Just I'll put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Let's say this is the password, and I will submit it. It will show another message to the user of the target network. Your connection will be restored in a few moments. And here, if we go back to the Kali machine, we can see the password has been captured and kept in this place on the root, hamzalab password.txt. If you close this one and go to root, hamzalab-password.txt, and this is the password which the user entered. So the target user, it may be a kid playing on the iPad or the tablet, or it may be any person inside the house who will see this message in the web page, and just he will enter the password to get the internet back, and you will gain the password of WPA or WPA2 easily.